know. It's not morning. It's afternoon. It is 12:45. I've been up editing too much, I think. But I'm really trying to get ahead with my videos. Anyways, how are you guys doing? I know, I just jumped into this. I'm kind of talking kind of low because my oldest is back. He works 4 days and then off 3. But they're long shifts. So what is that? Like 410s is what they call it, I think, or 412s. 412s, I think, is what he works. And then he's off, and he comes here. Not always, but lately he's been coming home. I hear noises, and I keep thinking it's him. I'm making some bacon, of course. I really got to change up my breakfast. I was going to have some salmon this morning, and I already started grilling this, so I figured, just have some bacon and eggs. My salmon I made a couple of nights ago, so I really need to eat that up before it goes bad. Yesterday, I showed you guys the stamps that I organized. I organized it and I decluttered it, which is really, really good. I decluttered mainly like things that I had 3 of the same thing, because I go to the Dollar Tree and I'm like, oh, I don't know if I have this one. I don't know if I have this one. And then I get it. And then the next thing you know, I have 3 or 4 of them. That's the type of stuff I declutter. So I feel really, really good about that. That is really, really good. Now I know what I have. Now I know the only kind of stamps, or I keep saying stamps, stickers that I would like to get if it's possible and if it's on sale. It's not necessary, I know, but are seasonal. I don't have anything, well, I do, but not enough to cover like a whole month's worth of like 4th of July themes. And because I'm running that marathon on this 4th of July, I really want to spruce that spread up, if you will. Okay, moving on from that. So that's one really good thing that I've done for myself. I'm really proud of myself. Today in my planner, I have editing. I have to put 5 new things up on eBay and 5 relist. The relist are things that did not sell. The other thing on my list is, as you go up the stairs, why don't we go? Why don't we go so I can show you? This is all my clothes I need to put away. They're just sitting on the rack here. These are all my laundry stuff that need to go into the kids' room, my room, etc. Okay, as you come up the stairs, I have a catch-all. You know, I don't know. I'm pretty sure a lot of us have a catch-all. Well, let me show you my catch-all. I'm going to turn you around. Right there. My catch-all. Look at my printer. It's getting clogged with clothes and bags and just stuff. So this is going to be cleared up and stay cleared. All the clothes you see there are clean clothes. These are clean. Those are my jeans. You can see, I think that's one of my kids' undies. My daughter's pants, towels, jeans, bag, a recycle bag that needs to go in my car. This cannot be. That's on the agenda. It has to be. It has to get done, and it cannot happen. I get so whatever. Just organizing my life, decluttering my life is probably one of the best thing I can do for my mental health. Believe me. I know it sounds dramatic, but it's really, really true. What else is on the agenda? I have it upstairs. My workout today for sure. Anyways, guys, I've already been yapping up for 7 minutes. I'm gonna let you go. But yeah, I will be back here very, very soon. I'm just gonna have 3 eggs, strips of bacon, avocado. I'm gonna smother it, and I made some guacamole. I'm gonna put that on top, and a little bit of cheese, and that should be a good amount of fat. I'm not gonna have anything to drink, and that's it, guys. Okay, I'll be back. 4:47. I'm vlogging, boo-boos. My husband, he's not feeling good. My husband is not well. He's sick. This past Sunday, we were supposed to go hiking for the first time. as a fam bam, as a family, and there was no way. There was no way. He's really sick. Okay, I'm going to show you my progress. Just a little bit more editing. That's good. That's going great. I'm on top of that. This stuff in this tote here. This is things that are already photographed. I didn't want to hang them, but I'm going to, so I can get them out of this tote, because this tote here, I just bought this at Target, and this is supposed to house things that sold and ready to be shipped out. So I need a, you got some, that's all you have, honey? Okay, so I'm going to hang these up and put them where they should go, because they're just in my way. Let me show you this is my sticker, my little sticker accordion. I put everything in here. The ones that are sticking up right there, those are stickers for like right now, for this month. So Easter, spring, and things like that, I have them sticking up, so that when I work on my planner week to week, I have all the cute little stickers ready to go. That is just, it's the little things, guys. It's the little things that really just make life easier, fun, you know, if you're into planning. Real quickly, so I got this going on. I'm jumping all over the place. Sorry, guys. I gotta go downstairs and start making dinner. We're going to have drumsticks with barbecue, and I'm making the barbecue sauce. It's going to be keto friendly, so it's gonna be good. Also, out here in the area where I showed you earlier is clear. This is going downstairs, is a little decorative piece that I had hauled a little bit ago. This is going downstairs. I'm going to hang it downstairs. And then these two are just some crushed up water bottles that I will be taking with me when I go downstairs. Anyways, guys, let me finish doing this here real quick. Go downstairs and start doing the barbecue sauce to put the drumsticks in the Instapot and work out. Okay, guys, I'll be right back. I'm going to make the barbecue sauce for my wings, my chicken wings. They're in here. So I'm going to cook them enough to where they're semi-cooked, not all the way cooked in there. And then we'll re-put them back, or not put them back, but then I'll add the barbecue sauce and let them finish up in there. So right now I'm just letting them cook a little bit. Okay, I'm just gonna show you the ingredients. I don't have my tripod, I don't have my lights, I don't have myself really set up today because I'm kind of running around today, but I just kind of want to give you the ingredients of the barbecue sauce, so I'm going to go ahead and turn you around. All right, so these are the ingredients. We got some monk fruit, Worcestershire sauce, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, organic ketchup, apple cider vinegar, some garlic powder, pepper, salt, Himalayan salt. I have some cocoa aminos, or you can use tamari sauce. I have some garlic powder, cayenne pepper, hickory smoke, liquid smoke, ancho chili powder, onion powder, and if I wanted to, you could add a dash of bourbon, and I have some, so I'm going to add a dash of this. I just want to show you really quickly that I made some green beans here. I've made this before, but I did it differently. Like this particular recipe, I added and sort of switched it around a little bit. And this is supposed to be done in the oven and not blister the green beans. But I love the green beans when they're blistered. But this has egg in it, garlic, and then garlic salt as well. And then it has pepper, and I think that's it. And then I added the pecans into it. And yeah, olive oil. It has olive oil. So that's done. There it is, green beans. And then there is the chicken with the barbecue sauce with bourbon. And then for the drinks, the San Pellegrino with the limeade packets that are ready to be poured in and mixed. All right, okay guys, still got the tree up, got the Christmas tree. Okay, so I'm gonna work out. It is 8:10 in the evening, and now I'm going to work out, and I'm going to be doing this one here. This is an oldie but a goodie, and the reason why I picked this one here is because it's 4 miles and it's endurance building, but it's not like, there's no HIIT training, there's no, like, it's just a constant flow where she kind of warms you up and then has you, you know, getting your heart rate up, and then she cools you down. It just sort of flows. So I like this one. I've had it for a long time, and it is an older DVD of hers, so the music is not the best, but I don't care. I like it for that purpose. So that's what I'm going to do today. It's 4 miles, but I'm not going to record it because I don't even have my tripod. I don't have anything. But what I will do is come after every mile. Okay, so I'm going to show you my Fitbit and show you where I'm at. Just came down the stair, but there is the activity level. There you go, guys. So I'm gonna do mile 1. I'll come back, check in with you, let you know how I feel, and etc. with all the miles. All right, guys, I'll be back. Okay, I did a mile, so let me show you real quick. First mile is really active. I already have my heart rate going. Yeah, so feel good so far. 2 miles. Okay, definitely having a harder time talking, but definitely sweating more. And but I still could carry conversation. It's just I'm just having a little bit more trouble. All right, guys, completed 2 miles. I'm on my 3rd. 3 miles done. Okay, I'll show you my minutes so far. Active. So I'm doing really, really good. She's starting to bring us down into the 4th mile. Will be a lot of just bringing down the heart rate, and cooling down is in the 4th mile. So I'll be back when it's over. There you go. My heart rate's coming down. Okay, really good. My heart rate's coming down. I'm able to talk, but I worked up a good sweat. I don't want to stop completely walking because my heart rate's still a little high. So I'm going to do her stretching, and then I am done. I'll be back. All right, guys. There's a DVD I did. Did really good. Feel really, really good. I don't know if you can notice, but my face is like really, really red. Let me see. Probably not. Every time I work out, I always have my potassium, and I finish it all during a workout. So I did really, really good. I have my walk on shirt I ordered a long time ago now. Well, it seems like a long time ago. So anyways, guys, it was good. It was a good day. Finished off pretty strong. I need to walk around just a little bit more. I feel like my heart rate is still a little too high. It's at 87 beats per minute, and that's still considered fat burning, and I do feel like I need to just sort of take it down, at least down to like 70 or 60. All right, guys, see you guys tomorrow. I hope you guys all had a great healthy day today, and see you tomorrow.